In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the GIMP software to adjust the threshold of an image. This straightforward process will help you transform your images with precision and clarity, allowing you to highlight and separate distinct elements with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, mastering threshold adjustments can refine your image editing skills significantly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening up your GIMP software. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily download it from the official GIMP website, but for today's demonstration, we'll assume you already have it up and running. Take a moment and find the image you plan to work with, then import it into GIMP. You can do this by dragging and dropping the image file into the GIMP workspace or by clicking File and selecting Open from the menu to browse for your image. This will prepare your workspace for any edits you plan to make. Once your image is open in GIMP, direct your attention towards the menu bar at the top of the screen. Here's where you'll find a range of editing options, which allow you to tweak all sorts of features in your image. For threshold adjustments, you're going to want to click on Colors. This menu gives you a variety of tools to adjust and optimize the colors within your image. Find and click on Threshold within this menu. When you click on Threshold, a new dialog box will appear on your screen with sliders and a preview window. This is your main tool for setting the threshold levels. Thresholding is all about converting your image into a high-contrast black and white, which can be particularly useful if you're looking to create striking silhouettes or prepare an image for a drawing or screen printing. Now, in this dialog box, you'll see a slider or maybe two, typically labeled as lower and upper, which you can adjust. These sliders control the cutoff points for what becomes black and what transforms into white in the image. As you move these sliders, your image will change accordingly in real time. This allows you to visually assess and choose the best settings for your particular image, making it very user-friendly. Try experimenting with these sliders, watching the preview box to see how different settings provide different outcomes. This hands-on exploration is the best way to discover the perfect threshold level for your image. Satisfied with your adjustments? Wonderful! You just need to click OK to apply the changes, and you're all set. You've now successfully adjusted the threshold of your image in GIMP, completing your task with just a few simple steps. With threshold adjusted, you can proceed with any additional editing or save your newly transformed image as needed. Explore these settings along with other features, and you'll be well on your way to becoming proficient with GIMP, enhancing your images with confidence and creativity.